The internet has revolutionized how we work. No longer tied to offices, we can earn from anywhere. This is incredibly liberating. Millions seek ways to make money online. One popular avenue is data entry. This field offers a simple premise: get paid for inputting information. While not glamorous, it's a legitimate way to earn. Plus, it's accessible, even if you're new to remote work. Many find this appealing. The tasks are usually straightforward. You don't need specialized skills to get started. This makes it perfect for those seeking side income or a career change. Whether you're a student, stay-at-home parent, or just want more flexibility, data entry can be your ticket to online earnings. It's time to explore this opportunity and unlock your earning potential. What exactly does data entry involve? In essence, it's about organizing and inputting data. This data could be anything: names, addresses, product descriptions, or numerical figures. You might be updating customer databases, transcribing audio files, or managing online inventory. The tasks are varied, but the core function remains the same: ensuring data is accurate and accessible. Don't underestimate the importance of this role. Businesses thrive on data. Accurate data entry is crucial for their operations, decision-making, and overall success. The beauty of data entry lies in its simplicity. You don't need years of training to excel. If you have basic computer skills and an eye for detail, you're already halfway there. Imagine this: working from your couch, a beachside cafe, or even your bed. Data entry makes this dream a reality. One of its biggest perks is the flexibility it offers. Since most tasks are done online, you're not bound by location. You can work from home or anywhere with an internet connection. This opens up a world of possibilities. Want to travel the world while earning? Data entry allows for a nomadic lifestyle. Need to work around family commitments? No problem. You set your own hours and work when it suits you. This level of autonomy is empowering. It puts you in control of your work-life balance. No more rigid schedules or long commutes. Data entry offers the ultimate work from anywhere freedom. Section 4. Real earnings, real success stories. The thought of making money online can seem too good to be true. But with data entry, the earning potential is real. People are making a living, and even building careers in this field. How much you earn depends on various factors: your experience, speed, and the type of projects you take on. Some jobs pay per hour, others per project. As you gain experience and efficiency, your earning potential grows. There are countless success stories of individuals who started with data entry and built profitable careers. Some have even transitioned into related fields like virtual assisting or data analysis. Data entry can be a stepping stone to bigger opportunities. It can provide valuable skills and experience that translate to other areas of online work. The possibilities are endless. Section 5. Diverse opportunities, finding your data entry niche. The world of data entry is vast and varied. There's a niche for everyone, regardless of your interests or skills. This diversity is part of what makes data entry so appealing. Some common data entry jobs include data entry clerk, inputting data into spreadsheets and databases; transcriptionist, converting audio or video recordings into text format; virtual assistant, providing administrative, technical, or creative assistance to clients remotely. These are just a few examples. New opportunities emerge constantly as businesses embrace the digital world. Finding your niche is about exploring different options and seeing what resonates with you. Section 6. The backbone of business: why data entry matters. In today's data-driven world, businesses rely on accurate information. Every transaction, customer interaction, and operational detail generates data. Managing this data effectively is crucial for success. That's where data entry comes in. Data entry professionals ensure that information is organized, accessible, and reliable. They are the unsung heroes behind efficient business operations. From customer relationship management to inventory control, data entry plays a vital role in various departments. Without accurate data, businesses would struggle to function effectively. By choosing a data entry career, you're not just earning a living, you're contributing to the success of businesses worldwide. It's a career path with real impact and value.